Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abdul Halim. I'm from Comoros. I am living and working in France. In today's video, I'm going to make a small walking tour of my apartment because when I first came to France, I didn't have a place to live. But now I have this apartment and I'm very happy to make this walking tour so that you get to see where I live. Let's go together to discover how it looks like. Here we go. This is the entrance of the apartment. This one here is the main door. And when you enter the apartment, you directly find in your left the toilet. Here is the toilet. Let me show you quickly. Here is the toilet. And if you continue, you will see in your left the bathroom. Now it's very small and simple. I like it. Don't know if you can see very well. If you open this door, this is the kitchen. It's not small at all. My wife is cooking something. I'm planning to move to a new apartment. This is why I'm not putting a lot of things here. You have the washing machine, microwave. I've made this to put some things up here. And we have another room inside the kitchen where I put my refrigerator. It's not a small kitchen at all. I like it. Now let's enter the living room. Look at this big sofa. It is taking a lot of space. And I have this little table, the TV up there, a very beautiful view of outside. Let me show you. Here we are. Look at those small houses. They are very beautiful. If you want to live in houses like that, you can pay around 800 euros. A dining room. I have this small table that I can host 6 to 7 people. I don't have a lot of friends here, but it's important to have a dining table. If one day you have guests, you have a place where you can stay and eat together. And I have this little chair for my little one. And here is my office. This is where I make my videos. This is where I make my, administration things. So yes, I was very lucky to get this apartment. It's the dream of many people here in France, having apartment like this. There are people who don't even have a place to live. So if you have something like this, you are very lucky. I got this apartment on May 2022. That time I was still a student. I have applied to get this apartment and I was given it. I was very lucky because as a student, it's not common to get big apartments like this. If you are living in the countryside, you are more likely to get something like this, but in Paris, it's impossible. If you get one like this in Paris, know that you will pay a lot of money. But here, I am paying 442 euros, 442 euros per month, which is very affordable for an apartment like this. Guys, move to the countryside. If you want to have an apartment like this in France, you have to move to the countryside. You will get big apartments, very affordable. In Paris, you can find people living in small apartments, small studios of 20 meter squares, 40 meter squares. This one is 99 meter squares. I have enough space. So this is very interesting. Guys, if you want to have these big apartments, move to the countryside. Move to the countryside because you will be very surprised. Now I'm going to show you the bedrooms. I have two bedrooms, one for me and my wife, and the other one is for the baby and the guests. We have this room. It's for the baby, but for the time being, the baby is sleeping with us in the other room because he's too small to sleep alone, we think. So for the time being, we are using this room as a guest room, and also the baby is playing here. He can go and play there. If we have a guest, he or she can sleep here. And baby has a small table here. And we have this small room that we call it the mosque. This is where we come to pray because we are Muslim. The room that you can see here. Knock, 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 knock. We are not going to enter because it's private. It's not good to show you where I sleep with my wife. Let me know in the comment section what you think about my apartment. In a very near future, I'm planning to leave this apartment and find a new apartment because this one, it has enough space for me, but it is in the 4th floor without elevator, so it's something very difficult for me. This is why I'm planning to move to a new apartment. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to make videos on how to find an apartment in France. Thank you for watching the video until the end. Goodbye and see you in the coming episodes.